to another Dadtech&Rc. Today I'm going to talk you through our new project, which is the scratch-built FT012, to follow on from the brushless FT009 project that we did before. Here we have the standard components that we've got from various places, including Banggood, GearBest, eBay, all the best retailers. And then we move on to our uprated stuff. We're going to be running a Goolrc 600 amp ESC. It's water cooled. The only problem I've found with it is only single direction, but it's put up with a ton load of abuse in the past. So we're going to reuse that one. We're going to use a aluminium rudder that we got from Banggood. There's a lot of people on the internet that have used those to great effect on the FT012. And then we're going to use a TFL 32mm CNC prop. That one's worked really well on a few other boats and stuff, and it should work exceptionally well on this. I'm going to go for an upgraded metal gear servo. That one I thought would be a good ideal because we've broken a couple of stock ones before in the FT009. And the battery. This one's rated higher than the stock one at 2,800 milliamps on a 3S and a 30C rating. That one came from Banggood at a really good price. I was quite surprised. And then onto the all-important essential item, the motor. We're going to run a 4,000 kV brushless outrunner. All the information on that will be in the build thread on RC groups. The link will be below the video, and we should be able to get some exceptional speed. Hopefully we can balance the boat out to be able to cope with it. I would recommend, if you do something like this, to use a slightly lower kV rated motor, as in the FT009 it was a little bit on the ragged edge, you could say. But stay tuned to see the running video when we've got this thing built, and have a look at the other videos on the on our YouTube page. Feel free to like it and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.